Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today's mission. See this area here? This is all coming out. Cannot stand it. There's no grass. It's just weeds. And I am going to rip it out and I'm going to mulch it. And eventually I will have a path where my kitty cat is walking through the archway, and the rest will all be planted up. Full. I'm tired of battling weeds and trying to mow, and then the weeds just spray into the garden, and then I have to go and pull out the weeds out of the beds. So basically, hopefully I can get it done today. I'm going to try my best, but depending on the weather. I've already cut blocks, as you can see here. So I'm going to take this section out here. We're eventually going to take everything out, the whole way down, because this is just weeds. You'll see a mound at the back there. See if I can zoom in a bit. That is all sand that we're repurposing. As you can see, it's kind of the land. You can see it goes as slant. So we're going to build it up because we are going to be putting a fence there. And then I will be able to have a narrow path with just plants on either side. My puppy is not happy. Hey, no! He's trying to dig under the fence. So I will come back to you when I have done this, removed all the grass and mulched. Hey guys, so I just want to show you, I think I'm about halfway. So I've got most of this out. And comes along and it'll hit the concrete just now. So I have this section of weed. I'm not even going to call it lawn. And I'll grab my tools, and I'm dumping it over there because, like I say, we're raising that ground to put our fence up. Listen to all the birds. It's beautiful. So my next section will be obviously where the wheelbarrow is standing, and a little bit along chunk, and I'll just do it chunk by chunk. I'm doing this all on my own. I don't have any help, so it is hard work. But my mission today is to get this done and the mulch down, because we are expecting rain tomorrow, and I want the mulch to be sort of damp so that it stays in place, that if we do have wind it doesn't blow all over the place. Just wanted to give you a quick view of the bed that I did with the carex, the foxglove, the dombeya and the pennisetum grasses all starting to look quite happy. Dombeya is going off flower, but I'm going to let the flowers dry because they're actually quite pretty. And I still need to finish the back there and whatnot, but oh, so many projects, such little time. Okay everybody, so all done. As you can see, all the grass / weeds are out, and I have put in my mulch all up to the bed, so it's basically one big bed. So when we walk, we'll walk sort of in line like this. I am planning to plant stuff on either side of the pathway. I just put that pot there for now, just to break it a bit. But I'm planning for some really nice goodies there. I think it looks 1,000 times better. I wish I had the energy to do the whole thing right now. Me and my impatience, excuse the shadow. But yeah, so we basically went all the way up this pathway and then back into the sun again. So I will then do another section here when I have the energy, and just keep working. You can see the pile at the back there is growing. We're going to need to take those gates down and flatten that lot soon, but we'll do that maybe on a cooler day. But I think it looks awesome, much better. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you here quickly. I planted some Inca lilies. One's flowering there and it's actually got a whole lot of buds. Those are called Indian summer. So I have got one there, one here, one in the middle there, and another here. So it's 4 of them. They do spread, so they will fill out nicely. And then I bought, let's just walk slowly around here. My bird bath needs to be cleaned again. Trees are losing their flowers and dropping it in the bird bath, so I literally have to do that every day. I bought something here called White Magic. They're also Inca lilies, but these are the dwarf, so their flowers don't get as long and they get a beautiful white color. I'm hoping it's white and pink. I'm going to have to wait for them to flower to actually see, but I thought I'd let you see. And take a step back and you can see the archway. Everything's coming along. Spring has sprung and everything's thoroughly enjoying more sunlight. And the coleus are doing well. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and ring the notification button, and I've got more in store. Enjoy the rest of your day.